Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing a topic near and dear to many music lovers: how to transfer your music from Spotify to Apple Music. Are you tired of bouncing between two different music apps? Maybe you're finally making the switch to Apple Music, but dread the thought of rebuilding all your meticulously curated playlists? Well, fear not. In this video, we're going to show you a super easy and straightforward way to move all your favorite tracks, playlists, and even albums from Spotify over to Apple Music. We'll be covering everything from choosing the right app for the job to actually transferring the music and making sure everything is working smoothly. We'll even touch on some troubleshooting tips in case you run into any snags. So stick around, grab your headphones, and let's get started. But before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more tech tips, tricks, and tutorials. It really helps us out. Okay, let's begin. Transition to screen recording showing a phone or computer. Okay, so the easiest way to transfer your music is to use a third-party application. There are a few different options out there, but for this tutorial, we're going to be using one called SongShift. I find it's one of the most reliable and user-friendly options available. It's available on iOS and Android. Show the SongShift app icon and a screenshot of the App Store. First things first, you'll need to download and install SongShift from the App Store or Google Play Store. It's a free app, but they do offer a premium subscription for additional features, like faster transfers and the ability to manage multiple music services. For our purposes, the free version will work just fine. Show the app interface after opening it. Once you've downloaded and opened SongShift, you'll be greeted with a screen asking you to connect your music services. Go ahead and tap on the Spotify logo to connect your Spotify account. Show the Spotify login process within the app. You'll likely be prompted to log in to your Spotify account. Just enter your credentials and grant SongShift the necessary permissions to access your music library. Don't worry, SongShift is a reputable app and takes your privacy seriously. Show the Apple Music connection process. Next, you'll want to connect your Apple Music account. Tap on the Apple Music logo and follow the prompts to connect your account. You'll likely need to authorize SongShift to access your Apple Music library as well. Show the main SongShift interface after connecting both services. Now that you've connected both Spotify and Apple Music, you're ready to start transferring your music. There are a few different ways you can do this. You can transfer individual playlists, albums, or even your entire library. Demonstrate transferring a single playlist. Let's start by transferring a playlist. In SongShift, tap on the plus button at the bottom of the screen. Then select Setup Source. This is where you choose the service you're transferring from, so in this case, Spotify. Now, choose Playlist. You'll see a list of all your Spotify playlists. Select the playlist you want to transfer. Show the selection of a specific playlist. Next, you'll be prompted to choose a destination. In this case, it's Apple Music. Tap on Destination and select Apple Music. You can choose to create a new playlist in Apple Music, or you can add the songs to an existing one. Let's create a new playlist. Show the option to create a new playlist in Apple Music within SongShift. Give your new playlist a name and then tap Confirm Match. SongShift will now begin scanning the playlist and matching the songs to their counterparts in Apple Music. Show the progress bar as SongShift matches songs. This process can take a few minutes depending on the size of your playlist. Once it's finished, you'll see a list of all the matched songs. You may also see some songs that couldn't be matched. This is usually because the song isn't available on Apple Music or has a slightly different title. You can manually search for these songs and add them to your playlist if you want. Show how to manually search for unmatched songs. Once you're satisfied, tap on Confirm Shift, and SongShift will begin transferring the songs to your Apple Music library. Show the transfer process happening. And that's it. Your playlist has now been transferred from Spotify to Apple Music. You can go into Apple Music and check to make sure everything is there. Switch to screen recording of Apple Music showing the transferred playlist. Briefly demonstrate transferring an entire library, highlighting that it's a paid feature in some apps. Keep in mind that transferring your entire library at once is usually a premium feature in most apps. SongShift allows this with their Shift credit system, but it is something you have to pay extra for. For smaller libraries, it might be easier to transfer playlist by playlist using the free method. Troubleshooting Tips section. Okay, so what happens if something goes wrong? Here are a few troubleshooting tips. Double-check your connections. Make sure you've correctly connected both your Spotify and Apple Music accounts. Sometimes, the connection can be dropped, especially if you haven't used the app in a while. Go back into the settings and reconnect if necessary. Check your internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for transferring music. If your connection is weak, the transfer process may be interrupted or fail altogether. Contact support. If you're still having trouble, consider contacting the app support team. They can provide more specific assistance and help you troubleshoot any issues. Wrapping up. So there you have it. A simple and easy way to transfer your music from Spotify to Apple Music using SongShift. Hopefully, this video has been helpful and saved you a lot of time and effort. Back to Talking Head. Remember, there are other apps out there that do the same thing, so feel free to explore your options and find one that works best for you. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below with any questions you may have, and don't forget to subscribe to RoamTech for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.